stood in a silent tree through the dark night. You listened to me when I whisper broken words in your ear, and you push me hard to the surface. I'm blinded hard, but you wake me up from the snow where I was born. Now I can see the whole world is mine. I can't touch and feel. Against my back, and you dare me to face the attack. You say for cowards there's no reward. Feel the heat. Oh, take my hand. I trust your word. Bring the fire. I don't care if it hurts. I have the future. To face the attack. You say for cowards there's no reward. I have the future on my tongue.